Okay, thank you, Judge Ari. Okay, drifter ready. First battle. 1, 2, go. Okay, nice initiation from the FD Civic. And the chaser is trying to keep up. However, there is a quite shallow angle from the GT86. Now let's see into the main straight. How are both cars doing? Nice angle from the leader. Oh, very good angle. And there is a major crash from the chaser. All right, so Kenny crash in the at the main straight, main sweeper. So 10-0 advantage kepada leader. Alright, okay. Boleh parking sikit, Helmi boleh tolong tak? So leader. Thank you. Okay, drifter ready. Second battle. 1, 2, go. Okay, nice angle from GT86, but the FD is not letting it go. Oh, very close proximity from the Civic, and the GT86 is doing his best line as possible. However, the FD still managed to keep up within the attacking proximity. Alright, this round even. But based on the first round, Guntur move on to the next round. Alright, thank you, Kenny. Next, Shafiq.